Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you my super effective, all-natural instant skin whitening mask. This recipe is packed with powerhouse ingredients that not only brighten your skin, but also offer amazing benefits for a smooth, even complexion. I would love to know from which country you are watching my video. Drop your country in the comments below. And if you love natural beauty tips, please support the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. In a clean bowl, first add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This natural exfoliant gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion. Next, add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Gram flour is fantastic for deep cleansing, controlling excess oil, and enhancing your natural fairness. Now pour in 1 tablespoon of potato juice. This ingredient helps fade dark spots and reduce tan, giving you an even skin tone. Follow it up with 1 tablespoon of tomato juice. Tomato juice is great for lightening pigmentation and tightening pores for a youthful look. Then, add half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Renowned for its soothing and hydrating benefits, aloe vera gives your skin a refreshing, dewy glow. Sprinkle in 1/4 tablespoon of wild turmeric. This ingredient evens out your skin tone and imparts a subtle, natural golden glow. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin locks in moisture, ensuring your skin stays soft, supple, and well hydrated. Finally, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent, reducing dullness and dark spots for an overall brighter appearance. After adding all the ingredients into a clean bowl, mix them thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. And there you have it. Your instant skin whitening mask is ready to go. Apply the mask evenly on your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes, then gently massage for a couple of minutes before rinsing off with cold water to tighten your pores. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, or use daily for the best results. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. And remember, I would love to know from which country you are watching my video. Let me know in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.